I'm excited about this challenge, but I want to know, can she handle the heat?
Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan. Big up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. So for today's episode, what we're going to be looking at is we're going to be pushing our taste buds to the test. And so we're taking on another challenge, and we're definitely going to need more than water for this one. So we hope that you will stay tuned with us and see what this challenge is all about and who actually won this challenge. Also, I want you to really examine, is this a fair challenge or not? Okay, because we need to figure this out once and for all and see who actually should have the trophy, if it's gone to the right person or not. So stay tuned.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing the Spicy Food Challenge. This is a collaboration between Life with the Jam Fans and Life with Eliana. And the winner of this challenge gets the Jam Fam trophy until the next challenge and 30 minutes of bragging rights. And I'll be doing this with my amazing mother.
Hello, Wagwan. Big up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. I'm excited about this challenge, but I want to know, can she handle the heat?
We've got a whole range of spicy dishes lined up, from hot fiery nuggets, the world's spiciest noodles, hot omelets, and very spicy crisps.
As our snacks. Well, I'm definitely ready for this challenge, and I know that I already have the victory in the bag, so bring it.
Really now?
Yes.
Okay,
I'm ready for
then.
this. Okay.
This is technically also a recipe.
So you're going to put
You put 2 eggs. You put some hot chili. You put some pepper. Ooh. You put some black pepper. Salt. And the special ingredients, milk.
I think you're cheating.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm just trying to make it nice and fluffy.
Is that what you're going with?
Yes.
Ah, really?
I would never cheat.
Well, no matter how you cheat or try to cheat or say you're trying to make it fluffy, I'm still going to win.
That's not true. See, I barely even put any in.
Really, no.
I don't serve much of that spice in there. It's not going to make any difference.
You know, I should have done yours and you do mine because I don't trust you.
I don't cheat. I'm a fair player.
Well, we'll see about it because I'm going to taste yours to see if it's as spicy as mine.
Okay then, if you want to lose, be my guest. Because I know I'm going to win. Now I'm going to put some spicy sausage in there just to make sure that I win.
Okay. Just to level the playing field, I'm going to make sure that I add a little bit more spice into mine, just because I think that it's only fair. So I'm going to put the black pepper, and this is chili. And I'm going to add some more pepper. And on top of that, I'm going to add into the spicy sardines, just because I want to level the playing field. So we'll see who can handle the spice.
we can handle the heat.
Mm-hmm. I hope you never try to do other stuff to mine when you're packaging it, you know?
No.
Okay.
I'm a fair winner.
That's fine then.
See, you have some milk there.
Yeah. I see you have some creamy looking sauce. Is that your defense from the spice?
No, I added some kick to it. Mine handle smells like French toast.
Mm. Are we ready?
Yep.
Who's going to taste first?
You can go first.
Okay.
Should I dip it or should I just eat it plain?
That's your choice.
Three, two, one.
That has a really big kick to it because the sardine is mega spicy. I had one the other day and it was actually very spicy. And then I add all of that pepper to the egg. I can feel it at the back of my throat. Anyways, if I need the milk, I'll draw for it.
The cheese in mine actually tones down the spice, but I can still feel a kick.
Who's going to finish theirs? Do you think you're going to finish yours?
Yeah.
You want to taste mine?
Washing it down with some paprika. Oh, you have the milk out.
I needed that. This is no joke. Can I taste yours to see if it's spicy? Okay. I'll use your knife because mine have on the sardine.
It's more cheesy than spicy.
It does have a kick. Now I can see why you're having the sauce.
And the bread.
But it does have a kick. Definitely. I think mine, the bigger kick on mine is the sardine. Okay. You going to brave it?
Are you sure?
Taste it and see if you can handle it. If it comes back out, then I already won this leg of the challenge. Is what you want? But you can't.
It burns my throat.
Do you want some milk? Oh, you're going to finish it?
It's so spicy that I'm drinking the milk and I don't like plain cow's milk. But it's anything that's going to help and I can still feel it.
I told you it's spicy, it has a kick. Well, I'm first to finish. And I'm now going to just have to keep drinking this milk. And somebody is still trying to work through theirs.
Now I know where the spice went. It's always in one section. That's why it's so dark. And inside it's dark too.
You think you can manage?
I'm going to manage. Hopefully.
Okay, well, we'll see when you finish, if you finish. But so far,
I'm winning every single round.
we'll see if you get through
Especially
for
the
this
last
round.
one.
We'll see about that. Bring me on to the next challenge. Well, she's managed it. So I guess this round is a draw. I'm looking forward to the next round. You still think you want to go to the next round?
Of course.
That trophy is going to be mine until the next challenge.
But there's a twist.
What's
For
the
the snack
twist?
challenge, we're going to have to spin a wheel for who gets which one. And one of them is the world's spiciest crisp in Jamaica.
I hope you get it. So we can win. We'll see who gets it then. What are you doing?
It's hard.
Oh, of course I'm winning, right?
No, we're drawn.
Okay, so we've gone through breakfast.
So next up, snack.
And this time you're
I'm
going
winning.
down. Oh, you really think so?
Yeah.
You're going down, mate.
No.
We
What
can
makes you
see.
think that?
Because you're the one who is going to end up with that hot, spicy one. Where when we eat it the other day, I was like, that is hot. So at that point, I'm going to get the trophy. Well, we'll see. I'll see you there.
Well.
We're going to do the second activity, which is the snack, spicy snack, and you're going to do the wheel. So, what are the options on the wheel?
Bigfoot, combo, and red hat. So combo is a mix of both of them, which is probably the worst option. And I want Bigfoot.
So, I'm going to go first because we did rock, paper, scissors for who to go first, and I want to go first, so I'm going to go first. So, let me go. Can I press? No.
Spin again.
I need
So
another
my
turn.
one got combo, so sad, and I got Bigfoot. I got Bigfoot. Oh my goodness. I got Bigfoot. I got Bigfoot.
This isn't even fair because on the heat
I got
scale,
Bigfoot.
Bigfoot is so low down.
But it's spicy Bigfoot.
Yeah, but I mean on the heat scale. Okay, so it's like we never did have enough heat this morning, so we need to have more now.
Just wait till dinner time. Let's
Okay.
get the snacks. I got the one I wanted. Okay, so this is red hot. It smells spicy, but you're lucky because there's not much in there. It's on the medium scale, but it's close to the top.
Okay, and let's see the other one.
It's not that spicy, so I'm happy that I got it. And because you also got combo, that means you have to have some. Should I stop letting it there?
This is not even fair.
It's fair. Every last drop.
No.
Yes,
No way.
yes.
That is so not fair.
You were the one who chose to put combo on there, and I told you don't put combo on there because I know you're going to get it.
And then it so happened that I did. It's so unfair.
So this is mine.
And this is mine.
You're lucky that I didn't put the cayenne pepper option on there because you'd have to dump it on there.
So I'm going to taste and see. Cheers. having one of the option is fine. The combo was not nice. Because now I have one medley going on in my mouth. So I'm going to need to get some ice cube to help it out. Are you finished? Because if you haven't, you're out of the running. Okay. Hey! So this one is another drawer. Okay then.
It's been a roller coaster with different flavors, but now it's dinner time, the ultimate test. Time to add the spice.
Should I be concerned?
No.
That you're adding spice to it. More spice. Try to add more to mine, you know. Just so you can win. Because so far, we've drawn the other two. And this one is my win. So don't even try.
Now to let them sizzle.
Who's gonna get that trophy? I am. Any last words?
My only last words is I'm sorry for you.
Okay. Well, may the best woman win.
Oh, thank you so much. Time to begin. You're going down. I have spicy sausage. I have nuggets covered in sriracha sauce. I have lettuce. And I have the world's spiciest noodles in Jamaica.
And I have the same spicy noodle and with mixed vegetable. And I want to minimize all of that. We have spicy sausage, frankfurters, and I didn't put any of the sauce on mine, but I'm going to see what the sauce tastes like on the nuggets because I don't know if I want to taste the sauce because I have all these other spices to contend with. Can I taste? I think because this one is it helps when you eat it because it doesn't have the same kick.
It's draining more than a sick day.
Mm-mm.
And I have a sick day basically once a week.
Really? Since when?
Literally once a week.
Okay.
My nose just starts running for no reason.
Oh, that type of sick day.
and that doesn't normally happen when I eat spicy food. This is the world's spiciest noodles in Jamaica, and not much Jamaicans like spicy. I don't want to know what the world's spiciest noodles is in the whole world. The milk helps. We finished, and the winner is me. I'm not just the queen of sass and sarcasm, I'm the queen of spice. Triple threat: spice, sass, and sarcasm. Can't beat that.
You don't say you can be something the winner.
Well,
When I need to rub other people notice
well,
in it.
I want 30 minutes of bragging rights, so I'll use it how I want to use it.
Okay.
And I'm using this 1 minute of bragging right, and I'll split it across the next 30 days.
Okay. Why we have to make it so torturous? And
Well,
she
you
won by
decided to
this
lose.
fraction.
Because you were eating your nugget too slow.
I think that's the thing. Okay, let me give you
Dun,
the...
dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, well, thank you for staying with us today. Hopefully, we think that the competition was fair, and if it wasn't, let us know what you think in the comment down below. And bye for now. See you in the next one.